Present continuous. Tense. I am writing. You are reading. We are playing. They are running. He is eating. She is singing. It is barking. I am learning. You are walking. We are talking. They are laughing. He is sleeping. She is cooking. It is moving. I am drawing. You are watching. We are working. They are dancing. He is driving. She is cleaning. It is flying. I am thinking. You are studying. We are building. They are shouting. He is writing. She is washing. It is jumping. I am speaking. You are listening. We are waiting. They are traveling. He is reading. She is smiling. It is falling. I am preparing. You are practicing. We are searching. They are learning. He is watching. She is teaching. It is rolling. I am cooking. You are drawing. We are discussing. They are fighting. He is repairing. She is knitting. It is shaking. I am improving.